Hello, my friends. Last time we were together, we started learning about equivalent fractions. Now, we know how to add fractions already, so let's put a fraction problem up. How about 1/6 plus 2/6 equals, so let me get my 6. Here's my 1/6. And here are two more 6. So I see that 1/6 plus 2/6, because I remember we're keeping the denominator the same when we add. 1/6 plus 2/6 is 3/6. But now I wonder, is this 3/6 equivalent or the same as anything else? Here is our whole circle. We can see that 3/6 is not the same as one whole circle, but it looks to be maybe 1/2. Oh, look at that. So 3/6 is the same as 1/2. So 1/6 plus 2/6 equals 3/6, which we have underneath here, or 1/2, because 3/6 and 1/2 are equivalent fractions. Let's do another one. What if we did, let's try thirds. 1/3, oh, I should probably erase the 6, shouldn't I? Let's erase that. Let's do 1/3 plus, now we know we're using thirds because our denominator is staying the same right now. What if we added 2 more thirds to this? 1/3 plus 2/3 equals, ooh, I know our denominator is 3 because that's staying the same, but that looks like a whole circle to me. We have 1, 2, 3, 3/3. And if I remember from earlier, if we have the same numerator and denominator, it means we have one whole. Look at that. So 1/3 plus 2/3 equals 3/3, or 1 whole, because 3/3 and 1 whole are equivalent, or they are the same. Let's try another one. What if we did 1/9? These 9s are kind of small, aren't they? 1/9 plus, let's add 2 more 9ths to it, plus 2 9ths equals, now I know our denominator is not changing. Our bottom number, the 9, is not changing, because when we add fractions, our denominator doesn't change. So we have 1/9 plus 2 9ths. We have 1, 2, 3 9ths all together. Now, what could 3 9ths be equivalent to? Let's try a half. Is 3 9ths the same as 1/2? Let's see here. We have 1/9, 2 9ths, 3 9ths. Oh no, look, we still have more room. It is not equivalent. So let's try the next one. How about a third? Here's 1/3. Well, now that kind of looks like 1/3. Let's put it on and find out. 1/9, 2 9ths, 3 9ths. Hey, look at that. 3 9ths is equivalent to 1/3. So we could say 1/9 plus 2 9ths equals 3 9ths, or 1/3, because 1/3 is equivalent to 3 9ths. It is the same. Let's try one more. Put my third away and put my 9ths away. What if I have tenths? I have 1/10 plus, let's add 4 more tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1/10 plus 4 tenths equals, how many tenths? Now, I don't know if you've figured this part out by now, but if we just look at our numerator, our top number, 1 plus 4 equals 5. And we know they're tenths because our denominator is not changing. So what is 5/10 equivalent to? Here's our whole. It's definitely not the same as 1 whole. How about a half? Do you think 1/2 and 1/10 are equivalent? Let's find out. Here's 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10. 5/10 is the same as 1/2. They are equivalent. So our answer could be 5/10 or 1/2. 1/10 plus 4/10 equals 5/10 or 1/2. Alrighty, my friends, I would like you to look on Google Classroom for the third year's fraction work. And I would like you also to look for the worksheet that has fraction materials on it so that you can have your own materials to work with. You're welcome to color the materials if you like, and then please turn in your work when you are done. If you need help, I will be online. Send me an email and I will get to you as soon as I can. Bye-bye.